Welcome back to another epic adventure. Today we are gonna explore one of Lisbon's coolest spots in the historic neighborhood of Alcântara. Get ready to join me on this awesome journey. Here in front of me, we've got Lisbon's iconic landmark, the 25th April Bridge. It was originally called the Salazar Bridge, named after the Portuguese dictator. But after the Carnation Revolution in April 1974, it got a new name, the 25th April, marking the revolution's date. Now it stands as a powerful symbol of freedom in this country. In terms of design, this bridge resembles San Francisco's Golden Gate with its red color and suspension structure, making them architectural cousins. Alcântara got its name from an Arabic word, Alcântara, which means bridge. Back in the day, this place was all about industry, but now it's a neighborhood full of cool stuff. You've got shops, culture, and tourists everywhere. The old factories are still around, but things have definitely changed.
Do I just go inside?
Alex Factory is a well-known spot around here. It used to be a wiring company, but now it's a hub for all sorts of events in fashion, architecture, and music. It's become a vibrant center for creativity and culture. The LX in Alex Factory comes from the abbreviation of Lisbon's name, which used to be Lisboa back in the day, but now it has been completely dropped from usage. On weekends, there is cool outdoor flea market where you can find everything from handmade jewelry to vintage clothing. You'll see some fantastic street paintings on the walls that really add an artsy feel to the place. I gotta say, one of the coolest spots in this place is the bookstore. When you walk in, it's got this awesome factory vibe mixed with culture and art. The bookshelves are made of iron and steel, and there is a hint of that smoky aroma. Plus, you can grab a book, chill out, and enjoy coffee. It's a unique combo. So let's finish up here and head to another shop in this complex. This shop has a bunch of cool items. Whether you are shopping for souvenirs or decorating your home, take a look at these interesting statues, paintings, and lots of fun stuff. finally, thanks for watching my video. See you on the next adventure.